I'm Jacob van der Borne, and together with my brother I own a potato farm in the south of the Netherlands. We are practicing precision farming for over 10 years now, and just this year we started the practical center for precision farming. With this practical center of precision farming we offer companies the opportunity to test their products to make them better or more understandable or comparable with precision ag technology. So this year we have several testing fields, and one of them is a testing field to look at the leaching of nitrogen on our sandy soils. Our sandy soils are quite heavy leaching, and therefore we looked at some different products to make the leaching as low as possible. So on this field we have 3 treatment zones. The first one is the standard treatment zone that we fertilize 3 times during the season. The second one is a controlled release fertilizer from Agrocote Max, and the third one is an N inhibitor fertilizer that applied all in front of the season, so after planting or during planting. In the season we did a lot of measurements in this field, but we started with a soil scan, and we scanned the soils with a connectivity scanner called the Dual M21S. This sensor measures the soil connectivity, and therefore we can easily choose the right spots for the plots in the treatment zone. So every treatment zone has 3 plots for the repetition of the data that we measure every month for biomass, nitrogen content, but we also installed leaching wells, so we have actually probing water quality for nitrogen. The top water is sampled, and therefore we can see if there are any difference between the standard practice and the other treatment zones. During the season we collect leaves for nitrogen analysis, and we measure the crop chlorophyll and biomass with Fritzmeyer sensors and the Dual-X handheld device. Added to that we actually also have drone images of the field that we did a couple of times to see if there were some differences in the field visible from above. At the end of the season, and that's actually what we're doing right now, we do harvesting with the YieldMaster Pro software. That's a yield measuring system on the harvesting machine that measures the yield for every square 9 meter. This data then after the harvest is then analyzed and actually calculated back on treatment zone and on plot level to look at the differences in the yield. So I've got a very good feeling about this field. This was actually one of my best fields. It was perfectly irrigated and grown like we like to have it, so I'm quite anxious to see what the results are.